Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the HTTP Injector app for secure web connections. If you're interested in more hidden VPN tricks, make sure to check out our blog. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar, then hit Enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our V2Ray VMess server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, find the Menu button, usually located at the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, click on V2Ray Slow DNS Server. This will direct you to the page where you can choose a location for your server. Next, select your preferred server location from the options provided. After choosing, you'll be redirected to an account creation page. Enter your username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. In seconds, your server details will appear on the screen. Make sure to copy the V2Ray VMS details for later use. Now, let's set up HTTP Injector. Open the Google Play Store on your device, type HTTP Injector in the search bar, and click the Install button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the app. On the HTTP Injector homepage, you'll see a Start button. Below that, click the arrow button to open more options. In the TLS type section, select V2Ray X-Ray and make sure the option is filled in with the correct settings. Click Save to confirm your changes. Next, tap the Settings button at the top of the screen to open the menu, then select the V2Ray X-Ray option. Now, tap the plus icon at the top of the page and a small window will pop up. Click the Paste button to enter the V2Ray VMS data you copied earlier from the website. The app will automatically fill in the necessary settings for you. Once everything is configured, return to the home screen and click the Start button. Congratulations! You're now securely connected using your V2Ray VMess server through the HTTP Injector app. There you have it, folks, a complete guide on how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the HTTP Injector app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.